Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Naomi Isaac. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of post-pregnancy fat, belly fat or belly fat after delivery. So stay tuned, watch my video till the end. I hope this is what you've been looking for and I hope it's gonna help you. So I'm going straight to the topic, and the first thing I'd like to mention is you should understand that your belly has been carrying life for 9 good months, and that's something you should not take lightly. It's something that's serious. You should let your body adjust to the environment. Like, don't give birth today and you're like, finally I want to lose this belly fat, I want to go back to where I was, I want to slay tomorrow. No, you should give your body time. So just don't rush your body, give it time, let it relax. Remember, your baby depends on you. Like, if you rush your body, you might be weak and you can't handle an infant ukiwa weak, you get? So you should just listen to your body. When it's time to relax, just relax. When you feel like you should do something, changamka, you do so. But do not like start observing diet, like I don't wanna eat this, I'll be oversized, I'll have belly. No, just eat for the sake of your baby. You know your baby needs milk, so do not stress your baby because you want a good body. A good body will come, of course. Just work on it and make sure your baby is eating well. Don't stay hungry because you want a flat tummy yet your baby is hungry. You know, it doesn't make sense. Like I always say this, babies come first. Like, just make sure your baby has eaten well before you look at yourself. You know, you can't say like, I don't wanna eat this, I don't wanna eat that. Where will milk come from for your baby? Surely. So just make sure you are fit enough for your baby, and then after that, make sure you are fit enough for yourself. Okay? So the first thing that I recommend you do after delivery, just ensure you have a towel and warm water, not warm, hot water in fact. So you dip the towel into that hot water, squeeze a little bit water and massage your stomach round and round, round and round. You even feel relaxed, leave alone losing fat. Like, it makes you relax, it makes you adjust to the environment quickly. So basically, make sure that you have some towel and use hot water at least every day. Massage your belly. It's good for you, it's good for your belly. And then the other thing that worked for me is ensuring that you tie something around your waist. Like, you can use a waist strap or a lasso, whichever thing you find you can afford, like whichever thing that's available. Make sure you tie your belly. Don't let it loose. It might fall. It might fall. You get it? So it might hang, in short. So basically, just make sure that you have something to tie around your waist. It presses your belly, like it presses your belly. You'll even feel like the bleeding occurs very smoothly and it ends faster. Like, it won't take 2 weeks as it is in some cases. Like, if you keep on tying your belly, it won't take even a week. I know it presses your stomach and releases the gases. You know, after delivering, there's that emptiness you feel in your belly. So if you don't tie, your stomach is probably gonna hang. I know sometimes there's that backache that comes after delivery, like you've been sitting the whole day breastfeeding your baby. Maybe the baby has colic, you've been shaking them around, so you just have backache and you feel like you beat. So you feel like you can't tie your waist. Don't stress yourself. Listen to your body. Just as I said, just listen to your body. Wherever you feel like you're relaxed, just tie it. Whenever you feel like you're exhausted, let your belly be. With time, you'll find a better way to handle it. And the number 3 thing that did work for me is taking hot drinks. Like if it's tea, take it hot. If it's water, take it hot. Hot uji, hot whatever, hot meals, hot whatever. Just as I said, after delivery, like you even feel like your body is so cold. You need something warm. You need warm sweaters, warm water, warm everything. So just do it. That contributes a lot to stomach belly. So later on, after you start feeling like you have some energy, you have some mawowowo, you can start working out, you can start making some walks and such like things. Like normally I do squats. They are very good at shaping your hips and your butts. Do some squats, do some stretching, do some yogas. Like don't let a day pass before doing even 10 squats. Just make sure you do something in a day. Even when you realize you haven't done something and you're going to shower, just do 3 squats in the shower. 3. Normalize using waist trainers. Like they help a lot. You tie them around even while you're not working out. Just ukifanyanga when you're doing your normal house chores, keep them tied around your waist. They'll help a lot. And if possible, you can use high waist panties. The high waist, those that reach somewhere up here, they help a lot. They are all over. You can find them at cosmetic shops or you can order online. So that's all for today. If you have any question, just ask in the comment section. Feel free to ask. I do attend to every comment. I will reply your comment. So that's all for today, guys. In case you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, like, comment, share, and see you in my next video. Bye.